تفتو يوسف زي أم سنبب كله
جدا
معك تفتون دي تنبلي دخمو سكي جلا بارتاس كم بلي
Squirrel comes to stay. Dad undid his coat. Alex, look what I have got, he said. There was Squirrel hanging on to his jumper. He was tiny, just a baby. He was fast asleep. Ow, ow, I said. He is really cute. Where did you get him, Dad? It is a sad story, said Dad. Listen, Dad was walking in the forest. He met some men cutting down trees. One of the men said, "Want a squirrel?" "Pardon?" said Dad. "A baby squirrel," said the man. "The tree who we cut down had a squirrel's nest in it. His mother was killed. He is too little to look after himself. Give him to me," said Dad. "I will look after him." So that's how Dad came home with Squirrel. I went outside with the squirrel in my pocket. I walked it up and down the street. "Alex," said my friend, "there is a tail hanging out of your pocket." "It is only Squirrel," I said. "He thinks I'm a tree." Squirrel becomes a pain in the neck. Then Squirrel got bigger. He didn't sleep so much, and he wouldn't stay in my pocket. "Mom," I shouted, "come quick." Squirrel had run down my leg. Then he could run back up inside my trousers. "Help," I shouted. He is running up my trousers." Squirrel got even braver. He stopped climbing on me, and he started to climb in the curtains. "Mom," I shouted, "look at Squirrel." Mom came rushing in. I tried to stop Squirrel. I really did, but I couldn't. He was wrecking our house. No one thought he was cute anymore. "Squirrel will have to go," said Dad. "Oh, but Dad," I begged, "he is too little to look after himself." Squirrel does his worst thing yet. Then Squirrel did something really dangerous. Mom's friend came to visit with her new baby. Mom said, "Shut Squirrel up in the cage." I meant to do it. I really did, but there was something good on telly, so I forgot. Mom's friend came into the room. She was carrying her new baby. If you are ever walking in a forest and a squirrel runs up your trouser, you will tell me, won't you?
Okay. Don't huh? Subhana baha. Thank you. Damn fatty. Okay, حجلي كوفي نحن نقطعنا.
هاي.
Okay, زي أخذت خلنا تجازف دبان تبلالا. زي أخذت بزعوة متى تقلت.
حدا تتخلد بهالودي فرارك بامن قدي نيدبا فرعا نعاء أبتقى جزء تخلا نساخ أني مرة مسكجفت نتا جزء تسبرلو شو عمسو حاسبو خيتاج أنقة نتا جزاف دبا من جزا سريحو أمانت
كم جزء جيروا
جزا جيروا لقديدو تمدك أسي قدمها هو اللي جيرلا
زي أخنتي طعمك
زي أتيت مهرك مثلك كم زخنا نجار فريس كاتب ولا شكا زخنا نجار تجمع قاتي مكسر فتحك تنادي لك ما يسكت حسب لك حسب كسر تقبل لك كابت جنق تبكي قالت هونس حسب
كابت جنق فتح كتنادي لك اوكي أما ناي بيتمرتيش المات قال زوجته وهبكي قال على كده
أولاني
بزعل بمنتاي
أوكي certificate مالت نايتا سومنتيا نايكل تسمون وين حنت سومون زنفع كايو بزي homework negligence late arrival إنكي بالكهلقة certificate مالتي
بخمت وهابي
student of the month كأني كنز أوشت ورحي تزنفع قلعة أب كفلو زنفع student of the month وسد
أوكي ناي ورحي مالتي أنتي اتنطوي مالدي ولا
No, I not be icon. Again, come on, come to not for late arrival to the homework negligence, participate to the class, get if class work galamelo excellent was to Hongi. Bromo, student of the must was the knowledge.
Okay, comes to have care logic.
Voila.
Call it certificate.
Capri school Gemma Marty, Azilla, or in the mat.
Scaring.
The answer Nailan can
I student of the month wish?
The Akata certificate knowledge.
Okay. Okay, that's about. طعمي نفعتي كم تقولي أنا حكوا طعمي نفعت تمهاريت ها أوكي ساري بزعبة زي student of the month قارئ إياه بطعم نفعتي ممهرانكي زمسكرولكي سلازخنا بطعم نفعتي أسئلة دماني بزعبة ناي متحف ترينا ناي سئلي كالون قطمي تفتني سامعي لكم كم يقطم تتقلت فتاة سنخي
فتني